Hello there, I am Naim, CEO and founder of Platiroll. Today I will talk about 7 ways to improve SEO on your WordPress site. There are a total of 40.6% users who use WordPress who knows about the CMS between 64% CMS users. So let's come to the point. Number 1 point is to choose and optimize WordPress themes for better SEO. We always try to select a well-designed theme, but if we focused on SEO, then we have to choose a well-customized and well-optimized theme. Well-optimized themes are looking simply, its design is really so simple, but well-optimized. That's why I personally like well-optimized themes. These themes are SEO friendly. We can pass Google Web Vitals by doing some optimization in these themes. I will recommend 5 WordPress themes that are highly optimized for WordPress. First of all, WordPress, it's highly recommended. Second, Genesis. Third, Astra. 4, Divi, and 5, Ocean WP. Point number 2, make your WordPress site faster, because fast website is a major issue for ranking, and Google has recently announced that we have to pass Google Core Web Vitals. So if we can't pass, so we can't do a better ranking. So we can use some free or paid plugin to speed up our WordPress site. We can use WP Rocket, WP Total Cache, Lightspeed Cache, Smash tool for image optimization, and there are others plugin that can make our WordPress site speed faster. But this type of plugin can be hamper on our WordPress site design. So we have to check and use it by our recommendation. We can use content delivery network, that's called CDN. If we used CDN, then our WordPress speed will be increased more faster than before. My third point is change your link type to make a better title basis link. When you install our WordPress site, then we have to select a permalink type from settings. By default, it's set on irrelevant link type. So we have to select post type link because it sounds good. For doing this setting, we have to go on WordPress dashboard, then click on settings, then we can find permalink type. So we have to click on permalink and have to select the post name type from these settings. That will help us to improve our SEO ranking because it seems good and relevant to our site. Set up and turn on beardgram section, because beardgram section is help people to find out our pages from website easily, and Google always try to ensure a better results from a site that can help users a lot. So beardgrams helps us a lot. For these settings, we can use Yoast or rank math. We have to go this plugin general settings, and then we can find beardgram section. We have to select that and we have to turn on that. By turn on this plugin will help us to create beardgrams. For number 5 topic is about robot.txt file. Robot.txt is highly recommended for every site because it helps us to give instruction to Googlebot. When Googlebot comes to our website and try to crawling, so if we give him some instruction about our site structure, then it will help us to get fast indexing and fast ranking. So we have to set up robot.txt file. We can set up this by plugins, or we can set up this from cPanel. So it will be easy to make it from plugins. So if we use some SEO plugins, then we can found it from this plugin settings and we have to turn it on, and for these settings we can reindex our any URL. So we will do this. Our number 6 topic is choose a SEO friendly plugin because it's give us some instruction to make a better SEO on page SEO on our pages or our post. It will give us instruction, and this instruction is really better. So for this we can use some plugins like Yoast SEO, Rank Math, all-in-one SEO. This type of SEO plugin will help us a lot, and Yoast is highly recommended because it's already gained too much beliefs from SEO experts. So today's number 7 point, or the last point, is www versus non-www. This is not a big issue in SEO, but we have to use www because it seems good, and Google always try to give a better experience to their users. So I recommend that to use www because I always use this. This all points were just simple SEO guide. They are nothing too much advanced things, but I will try to make video in advanced SEO section in regular basis. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to learn more things like this, then don't forget to subscribe.